In this video, I will share with you about introduction to regression time series models. These models are powerful tools for analyzing and forecasting data that exhibits patterns over time. These models help identify relationships between variables and make accurate predictions about future trends. Here's some definition and concepts. Number one, trend. The long-term direction of the data, either decreasing or staying constant. Number two, seasonality. Recurring patterns or fluctuation in the data that occur at regular intervals. Number three, autocorrelation. The correlation between a variable and its past values, which can reveal important insight about the data. What is assumption and limitation for regression time series model? Number one, assumption. Regression time series models rely on several key assumptions such as linearity, normality, and homoscedasticity. Limitation. This model may not capture complex nonlinear relationships or account for unexpected events that can impact the data. Robustness, understanding the assumption and limitation is crucial for correctly interpreting the model's result and making informed decisions. Here I will share with you model selection and fitting. Number one, data exploration. Examine the data to identify patterns, trends, and potential predictors. Number two, model selection. Choose the appropriate regression model based on the data characteristics and the research objective. Number three, model fitting. Estimate the model parameters and assess the model's goodness of fit. Okay, this slide also very important. Forecasting with regression model. Number one, point forecast. Regression models can generate point forecasts, which provide a single predicted value for the future. Number two, interval forecast. Regression models can also produce interval forecasts, which provide a range of likely future values. Lastly, scenario analysis. Regression models can be used to explore different scenarios and their potential impacts on the forecast. Evaluating model performance. Number one, model fit. Assess the model goodness fit using metrics like R-squared and root mean square error. Forecast accuracy. Evaluate the model ability to accurately forecast future values using measures like mean absolute error. Model diagnostics. Conduct diagnostic checks to ensure the model's assumptions are met and identify any potential issues. How to interpret the model results? Number one, coefficient interpretations. Understand the magnitude and direction of the relationships between the predicted variable and the outcome. Number two, statistical significance. Assess the statistical significance of the model's coefficients and their reliability. Number three, practical significance. Evaluate the real importance and implications of the model's findings. Okay, this is the last slide for this lecture. Practical application and case studies. So how we implement the regression time series model into real world data. Number one, we can apply into finance, forecasting stock price, maybe predicting loan default and analyzing financial time series. On marketing, we can apply to predicting sales, optimizing pricing, and understanding customer behavior. In operations, forecasting demands, optimizing inventory, and improving production planning. So thank you for watching and see you for the next lecture. Bye-bye.